Alright guys, so this is room 1056, a concierge balcony cabin on board the Celebrity Equinox. Just going to give you a quick room tour. This is my first time entering this cabin, so we'll do this together. Here we have a beautiful, nice bottle of bubbly, Celebrity Vintages, and some welcome aboard content, some ship information, and of course your safety instructions before your cruise. So this is a concierge cabin, like I mentioned. Got the beds that are separated, but we'll ask them to put them together. And got a nice balcony cabin here with a nice view. So we'll just step on out here to the balcony and check out the balcony cabin view. However, it's probably going to get all fogged up real quick. We've got nice little setting table here, a couple chairs with some footstools underneath. A little bit dirty, I guess, but they just need to clean the glass. So along with the on the sides of the beds here, we've got a couple storage tables. There are no power ports on the side of the bed. This is a fairly older ship, so unfortunately no power plugs on the bed, or on the sides of the bed, I should say. There is a nice sitting area here. We've got a nice couch with a little table. There's, with this cabin, you do get some binoculars, part of the concierge cabin. There's about 6 storage drawers here. Laundry bag for laundry services. Not soft closing drawers, as you can see. But nonetheless, there is quite a bit of storage. Alright, also I guess included in the concierge cabin comes a nice little key holder for your room key. And here is the safe, so not in the closet on this ship. Safe is located right underneath the TV, along with your little mini bar. Those are not included. Even if you have a drink package, they are not included, so just be aware when you are consuming your alcoholic beverages in your mini fridge. There is some robes that comes with the cabin here, which are pretty nice. Also, you do get a umbrella if it's raining. So that's a little nice touch. Obviously, plenty of hanger space, or hangers, and storage space inside the closet here. It's got a sliding door, which is nice. A little trash can. I mean, there's plenty of room in here. It's a nice sized cabin. And it looks like it's just been refreshed. You got a full-length mirror here, right by the entry door. Your temperature controls. Doesn't get any simpler than this, right? Cold, hot. Here's your light switch and the lavatory, or bathroom, I guess you can say. Lots of storage in here. We've got nice glass storage compartments, some glasses, some shelves. You got your hair dryer. There is no iron, so be aware there are no irons on board inside the staterooms. Got nice amenities, Theo Bigelow, soaps, toilet. Got a nice shower here. Got a regular glass door. I'm closing it on the towel. Unlike some older ships where you may see like a curtain, here we've got an actual glass door, which is nice. Some more Theo Bigelow products, and just a normal shower head. If you are an Aqua class, they do have a much nicer bathroom in those in that class of service. So overall, this is room 1056 on board the Celebrity Equinox. Hope you enjoy.